when we start applying the gels, the first thing you need to do, you want to make sure the nail plate, which is the nail's body, it has to be completely clean. So the reason how you do that, you're going to use the drill bit to where it's not going to damage the nail plate. You're going to go in, then just clean the sidewall, just focus on the sidewall, just make sure pushing back all this excess skin. And you want to go around the cuticles from both sides. You're going to go one side to the other side, and make sure you just want to rough off the nail tip just very gently. Just remove the side on the surface of it. Okay. Second thing that you need to do, you don't want to apply any primer or bonder, no chemicals besides the base gels. So we're gonna use our LED light. We're gonna place it right here. So every process that when we cure the gels, we're gonna use 30 seconds each time. But very importantly, when you use the LED light, you want to focus. You want to focus when you're drying the client's hand. You want to focus just the fingernails, not the whole entire hand. So when you go in, you want to place your fingers right here from one corner. Make sure your thumb is going to go past the light, and the other one is just going to go past here. Just spread them out. As long as you get closer to the LED light, the quicker the gel is going to cure. So I'm gonna set my lights on 60 seconds. Okay, today we're gonna use a pink and white gel. So the first thing that we want to do, primers, no bonds. So we're gonna. This is how we apply the gels. You want to focus just from the sidewall. So to control it, you just want to use the full stroke, just from side to side. Just build that size up, and you want to move from when you're brushing the gels on. You want to move from the cuticle to the free edge. Go over on both sides. And the gel doesn't move or run into the cuticles or the free edge. It's very important when you're applying the base gel, you want to go from sidewalls to sidewalls. What about the cuticles? The cuticles, do you want to just apply? Do you want to use the brush, just make it closest to the cuticles as possible. Even though when it's touching the skin, there's no problem. The skin will absorb the gels at the same time. It's very important when you had to cover the whole entire nail body from size to size. The application, it had to go from the cuticle to the free edge. Take it all the way out to the free edge and bring it back from the cuticles all the way down. Even though you can get into the sidewall, you want to turn the finger to the side. And you want to make sure make sure you have enough gels towards the cuticles, so the gels can moisturizing the cuticles at the same time while it's absorbing into the nail plate. So after you're applying the all 5 fingers, you want to cure it for about a minute. Gonna use this. You're doing the same applications on the second hand. It's very important you just turn the finger to the side and make sure the gels is cover the whole entire the nails all the way down to the base of the nails. All the way to the base of the nails. If you don't use this, when you're not using this skill of these applications, eventually when you put the builders on top of here, it will lift. So it's very important.
The gangsters move up there. Yeah, the gangsters move up there because the prison's up there. Yeah. That's awesome. So I think when you're in prison, when there's maximum security, or them learn about it and use it to hopefully get their kids meeting of them.
Maybe ask listen.
This is a real traumatic happening, like weather, fire.
Taking it all the way out. So when you're doing the applications, you don't have to press the brush all the way down, because like when you do that, the gel it would get you to sidewalls. So you just gently just pull your stroke just very gently and softly. So you're tracking the base gels all the way from the cuticle to the free edge. Instead of pressing the brush down, when you press the brush down like that, the gel would run into the cuticles of the sides. So just very gently, just use the brush, just do the stroke very gently. Okay, like we're gonna do the pink and white. So we're gonna use a pink base. So what I love about these products, it doesn't have any smell in the products, and you don't have to use a lot of it. So if you're doing a base for pink and white gels, you just want to pick up just a little bit from the tip of the brush, and you want to doing the same thing. We start with the sidewalls first. Just gently, just use the brush to just move it from side to side, and now you got it even. Like I said, all the way start from the sides first and move into the center of the nails. It's very important. You just want to pick up. See how long the fingers is? You just want to pick up a little bit of it. You just want added contrast into the nail base to where it looks pink. Gotta relax. Yeah. Okay, now you want to cure that for 30 seconds under the light. 30 seconds. Start from the corner. Always use the corner. This is they call hypernickel, and pull it all the way down to the free edge. Same thing with this application. You don't want to press it too hard into the brush. Just don't press it down like that, because you're actually removing the whole entire gels off the surface of the nails. Just want to brushing it on just like how you put your makeup on. You want that powder to stick into your skin, so you just want gently just move it. Okay, once you are done, you want to clean off the brush, put it away. Now we're gonna use our white gels. This is what our white gels looks like. It's very important how you pick up these gels right here. First thing you want to do, you don't want to start. In any case, you don't want to pick up the gels right here in the middle of the jar. You want to always start from the side walls of the jar, and you want to pick up just a little bit, and you're gonna start from this corner, just very gentle. Just run. And you want to start from one wall to the other walls. This gel doesn't run, just don't be afraid to put it closer to the side walls as possible. See how it's right here? Just want to push it right here close to the skin. Make sure it's covered the whole entire nails. When you need more gel in the center, all the way pick it up. Start in the center on the side walls first, bring it all the way out to the side walls.